Hey, I'm Julian, a composer and musician based in New York City, where I write, produce and perform music for film, TV, theatre and interactive media. And as you can probably tell by now, I'm also British, but don't let that worry you. I grew up playing music from a young age and spent the early part of my career recording in studios back when tape was still a thing and playing in clubs around the UK. Several years, a few bands and a handful of international tours later, I landed in New York to pursue my love of composing and theatre, receiving advice and tutoring from such musical legends as Michael John Lecusa, Lin-Manuel Miranda and Elton John. In 2010, I adopted my dog Parsley. Oh wait, irrelevant. In 2010, I received my Masters in Musical Theatre Writing from NYU. Since finishing my studies, I've written musicals that have had readings and performances around the US, performed at the 48th Super Bowl, and returned to my love of writing, recording, and producing music. There's a good chance that while you're listening to me ramble on, someone else in another part of the world is listening to music I wrote in one form or another. And this is where you come in. I want to help you achieve your goals in music, whether it's writing it, producing it, or performing it. You might be just starting out on your journey, but you might be looking for the next step to take. Wherever you are and whatever stage of life you're at, I'll be there to guide you, encourage you, and stand on the sidelines doing a weird celebration dance as you grow your skills and reach for your goals.